Hi all, welcome back. So this is the part 2 of the project which we were talking about. So in the first part we saw how to open up a web browser to remotely or through the Wi-Fi network control your the one of the home appliances. So in that module we were not able to I was not able to show you a live home appliance which I could connect to my relay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will show you right now how it is get connected. Okay, and then we will try to operate it. So I have a bulb. Okay, and this bulb is normally operates at higher voltage. Okay, so let me just move around and then show you the circuit and all. Okay, so what we have is over here is the same connectivity diagram. Okay, sorry about it, making some kind of adjustment to show you the details. Okay, so right now what I have is the pins which we have connected, so those remains the same. On this Wi-Fi module we are just using one of the GPIO pin. Okay, and what we are also connecting is we are connecting a relay. Okay, so let me just pause for a minute and then show you the exact diagram. So we are back again. So I just wanted to show you the entire circuit diagram. So what's happening over here is, if you can see, right? So this is my Wi-Fi chip, and the output, the GPIO pin is now connected. The yellow one which you can see is now connected to the relay, and relay is like connected to a power supply of 5 volts. Okay, and chip is like chip is, I guess it's okay, so chip is operating from here. It's like 3.3 volts. Okay, and this my relay module is working on a 5 volt. Okay, the output, the two wires goes. Okay, so you will see this two wire, one is which goes into AC power supply. Okay, the other will go into a light bulb. Okay, so we will see the another photo. Oops, one second. Let me just open up another photo and I'll show you. Okay, I don't have this photos. Okay, got it. So I have another. So what happens, right? So if you have seen, yeah. So this black wire, okay, so which is connected from the normally NC. Okay. So there are two. Okay, so there is one NC and NO. Okay, and you are now connected the wire to the light bulb, and the green one is directly to the power supply. Okay, so this is what my circuit diagram is now, and now what we are going to do is we are going to open up the open up this. I'll have this. Open up into my web browser, into my mobile browser, so I can show you that also. Let me just open up the IP address. The IP address is 192. I guess it is 100. Okay, so it's 102. So now if you can see my, so I have this thing. Okay, so it's operating on 102, right? So I have a lamp control now. This is just a charging pin, so don't get worried about this. So, and my the equipment can sit anywhere, right? So the entire the connectivity diagram can sit anywhere in the outside. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a normal on. Let me do a on. Okay, something wrong with this. Let me check. It's operating on a 102, right? Okay. I think there is something wrong. Did I just did something? Okay, so let me just see whether it's connected properly or not. I hope it is connected. Okay. Okay, let me just do a switch on or the reset of it. Just give me a minute. Okay, great. So now if you see, I'll just do on.
It may be changed.
Okay, so I think that Wi-Fi address might change, so I'll just try to do one more time.
Yes, correct.
102? Yeah. So my colleague is saying it's 102. So let's go ahead and see that. Okay, so it's 102. So now I have this and I should be able to show you the operation. Let me on it. So now it's on. You can see the lights in over here. Okay. So now it is on, right? And we can keep it here. So you can easily see the brightness in the room, right? So, right, let me just do it off. Now I can make it off also, right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to just operate from here. So now if you see that intensity might have changed, okay, in the room, and then I can make it off, right? So this is a small application which you can operate through your mobile, right? It can be anything from a geyser or it can be anything and lamp, or you can do any operation for any of the home appliance. Okay. Thanks for joining this session and we'll meet again. Thanks. Bye-bye.